the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge: to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in spirits wherever they're at. Rachmaninoff, time to respond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Dead man